everyone, and welcome back to the MadTechTalk. So today I'm actually going to do a very short review of the USB docking station, which I found online. And this is the station which for me was a very positive one because I was looking for a station which is not requiring any Thunderbolt, which the Dell laptop has or the MacBooks. Second, it does have a powered USB because lately when I record a lot of things, I have an external microphone, I have external webcam for recording, so I require the USB which are powered, and I'm lacking of those on my laptop. So I needed a station which is something decent, and I found it on I think it was Polish Allegro, but actually you can find it on eBay as well, and I think I saw it on Amazon as well. Why I chose this one? Because it's actually a gadget under $30, and I think this is a very crucial thing to kind of mention. It has obviously you need the power to it, so it connects to the sockets. I have socket right there. And second, it has a kind of like a very weird USB connection, so you can see it right here, maybe like here as well, to the USB-A. And why this station is pretty cool, there are a few things about it. So the first one is that it has multiple ports, starting from like an old school, so you can see that it's kind of like an old design, but you can still buy them, new, but it has like a proper audio sound. So you have the in, out, and kind of what normally you would use for like a subwoofer, which is like a front, sub, and the rear, which I think is pretty cool. You have the two USB 3.0 ports on the back, two 2.0 ports, one Ethernet port, one HDMI, and one DVI. So it's a great one if you, for example, only have one HDMI port on your laptop and you want to have a second one. And if you're open to connect some of the others, you can use either DVI, or maybe you can use the USB A if the monitor kind of covers that. I covered some of those monitors as well on my channel, so check it out for the videos. On the front, we also have more USB ports. So we have two USB, which are the sleep ports, I would call it. So that means if the laptop is asleep, this will still charge your device, and I think it's pretty cool, and it's still USB 3.0. So in total, we have four 3.0 USB. And we also have the separate port for the headphones and a microphone. And honestly, so much in such a small device, because it's not a big device, it's not chunky device, it's pretty light. I think it's around like 400 grams, something like that. It's definitely worth it, especially that it's under 30 bucks. I think it's worth it for everyone who maybe need to connect some more devices, or maybe you want to charge your phone at the same time and you only have a laptop with you, so then you can connect it to here, connect the power to it, and then charge multiple devices with ease. Let me know what you think. It was just a very short review, guys. I think that as I mentioned, I bought it new, and I think it was very good for me. It works for me like every day, and I use it now for a while. So I think I use it now for a few months, so it's not like a fresh something I purchased and I'm just showing you. It's actually something which I used for a while, and I decided to recommend to you. This is it from me. I hope you enjoyed that video. If yes, you know what to do. Just hit that like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Take care!